And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your home screen in the HUAWEI P60 Pro. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just slide the two fingers to the center, and how you can see now we are in the settings. We can start from the wallpaper. If you want to change the your home screen picture, you have to add the permissions in the files, and now we can choose new wallpaper like this one. Just tap on it and click apply. Choose the place for your new wallpaper, like a home screen, and now we have a new wallpaper. Okay, the next one, service widgets. If you want to add any widget, just look for the app, expand it, and hold the finger on it to choose the place for your widget on the home screen, like here. Tap on the home screen, and that's it. If you want to remove that, just hold the finger on it to open the menu, and you can edit it. You can just remove that, and that's it. Okay, the next one, transition, the effect when you swiping the pages. Tap on any to check the preview of it, drag a box, and just hold the thing, tap on the home screen. And now we can go to the home screen settings. There you can change the layout, the amount of the application, the rows and in the columns, and also icon size. Just use the slider for it and adjust it to your needs. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.